G'day guys, we're back again with a couple more Pokemon card packs. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Hopefully we get something sparkly, shiny, but you never know, it could be all bubble. Let me know in the comments if... Oh my god, these are so hard to open up. Oh, I'm just being brutal. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, we've got a flower dude. Oh, birdie. Ah, candy apples, or are they cherries? Oh my god, nice. Alright, let's go again. These packs are hard to open up sometimes. Let's sort of packages away. Let's go. Got a nice little fish. Ooh, angry tree. Nice little birdie. Ooh, trainer card. And, ooh, not a shiny, but that looks brilliant. Alright, let's get on to the pack numbers 2, 3 and 4. Please leave a like and subscribe. Let's go. That's one. Oh, donkey. Millipede. Oh, here we go. We got a nice shiny. Let's see. Oh, look at the shine on that. Beautiful. All right, let's go next one. And trainer card. All right, let's get into pack number 2. 2 or 4, really? There we go. That was a nice little shiny. Alright, got a new ghosty. Ooh. Owl. Let's go, let's see. Oh my god, here we go, we got an AX. Beautiful, nice little shiny. It's got nice little stars for it. Beautiful. And, look at that. Nice little horsey. Thanks again guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the videos. The more you like, the more I can open. Thanks guys.